Good morning, everybody. It is 4:30 on Wednesday morning. So, you know, we've been talking about it. We were supposed to do a offshore fishing trip today. For those of you that live in Florida, you've probably seen the forecast. It's going to be wet and rainy and probably 4 to 5 foot seas today. So, we canceled the trip. It's unfortunate, but it would have been a rough day out there. Probably wouldn't have caught much fish anyway. So we will no doubt postpone it to another day. But why am I up at 4:30? We couldn't stand it. We're gonna take the Fishin Wizard boat out and we're going to try to do some inshore fishing. I don't even know if it'll materialize, or well, we may only be out there for an hour. It's supposed to be wet and sloppy today, but we figured we would at least give it a shot. So it's 4:30. I am headed to Jimmy's house to load up the boat, put all the rods in, and we will be on our way. Got to stop at the bulk ice place and get a little bit of ice for the coolers. Hey.
Yeah.
You think this is a good idea? That's pretty much what I said this morning. We'll find out. It is now 5:03 and surprisingly we're leaving on time. It doesn't happen very often, but we're on time. And I just realized I think my fishing license expired, so I've got to get on my phone and make sure it's good or purchase a new one. Otherwise,
despite our better judgment, we're gonna slap Alberto in the face this morning.
or Alberto's gonna slap us in the face. One of the two. I already said this probably wasn't a good idea, but that's 2 fishing trips that have been canceled because of this rain and Florida weather, and I'm not gonna let it happen. We're gonna salvage it somehow. We
will persevere.
Alright, we had to make a pit stop. I don't know what this weather's gonna do. It doesn't look good. We got dumped a bunch of rain on us on the way over here, but we're gonna try it, see what happens. I have never seen birds like this.
With this type of audacity?
I know it. They just want to go anywhere.
You know what?
Alright, we got some bait. Let's go pick up our friends, see if we can catch some fish.
Yep, come hit the back of the boat, Daniel. Get back there. Chinaman fishing on the pier.
ended up being a pretty wet day, but we survived it. We caught fish. What do we get? How many snook did we end up with?
We got 6 snook.
6 snook, 5 or 6 jacks, a couple mackerel, some mangrove snapper, so grouper. It was a rough day. We roughed it out there to the pass. That was Jimbo's idea. Good job, Jimbo. But we made it back. All right, so we're finishing up the day here. We caught a lot of fish, not a lot of keepers. We got a few snapper, a mackerel, a flounder, and I guess that's about it. So we got some meat in the cooler. That's a good thing. We got several jack. Toss those back. But just had an all-around good time. Saw some manatees, some porpoises. It was just a fun time.
We fought Alberto and we won.
We fought Alberto and we won. I think Alberto is long gone, but this is the remnants of him. Pretty cool place. Right outside on the beach. Sandbar. So after all that, as rainy and nasty as it has been all day long, and now it is beautiful, calm glass water. But I don't care. We finally have some decent weather. Maybe we'll have some nice calm days, beautiful sunshine for the next few days. So we're on our way back. It was a long day, fun day, caught some fish. It was good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.